guys, so we're at this other job now. We're gonna unload the machine. This we're on a cul-de-sac, so it's kind of very tight. Anywhere we go, there's no parking. Well, there is parking, but there is no parking. Like if I take the trailer and I put it back there, it's gonna be all clogged up. So we're gonna unload over here, get the machine in the driveway. We'll probably pull head on in with the truck, and then you know, we'll start working at this curve, getting it all set up.
Always in here. I made the mistake once.
I saw it.
Nah, he saw it in time.
It's built in me to look for that stuff.
Yeah.
It's built in me.
The whole thing almost tipped over.
No, what happens is the ramp will fall off. So you'll be going up the ramp and it'll kick it out, and you'll just flip backwards, sideways.
Hey, the only way to learn is to go through the pain. You remember my knee injury?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. I can't wake up. I wake up, I can't put socks on.
Really?
Yeah, I have to like put my leg up and like,
Man.
yeah. It's terrible.
Hopefully tomorrow we get Big Daddy. That's the concrete truck driver.
Really?
Yeah.
Going with Suffolk
Big
again?
Daddy?
Yeah, Big Daddy. You know.
Suffolk or Clayton?
No, we have to do Suffolk because we need the same mix.
Good one, in my opinion. Like there's good ones, yeah, but like he's just the best one. Just his attitude.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
The other guy's cool too. You never met him.
What, can some of them mess it up?
Oh yeah, they drop all the concrete in one spot, or
I've
there's.
seen like some make it too watery.
I mean, try it, see if it breaks.
Alright.
I mean, just watch your eyes.
Holy cow.
Yeah, he's a... It's crazy with the sledgehammer. Nah, right?
It's not moving.
Okay.
I mean, I'm denting it, obviously, but it's not cracking. It might be a jackhammer job.
I'm ready to just roll the thing right out.
Good.
Pick it up from the side and lift it out.
crazy.
You think it'll break if we cut the middle?
I think we'll have a better shot of it breaking if we cut the middle.
I think a sledgehammer, 2 of them at the same time.
You think 2 sledges at the same time?
Yeah, I think we got it.
All right, it's time to see your
Because right now it's up on the curb,
Yeah.
so all the pressure's right there.
Yep.
That's what we want.
One right here.
Oh, we're gonna go right where the line is. So if you guys try to hit at the same exact time.
I think either side. Like I'll go this side, he goes that side, but like
Yeah,
right
it doesn't
next to
matter.
the line.
Yeah, just don't hit all that slop. It'll go everywhere.
Oh man.
Yeah,
What if I want to hit the slot?
well, that's up to you.
You're sick today, huh? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
There it is.
Nice.
Man, you guys are strong.
It was on him, I didn't do it.
Wow.
Right?
I would never be able to do that. Now it's half the weight.
I have to wait. I can get it. Maybe, hopefully.
There's wire mesh.
No.
Not rebar, wire mesh.
I know. That's why I'm annoyed.
Oh, you wanted to break, you wanted to jackhammer, right? You cut the rebar and all that? Exactly what I wasn't trying to do. Whatever. You see me crush that sideboard?
Yeah.
Man, I was trying to flip it back, but
I know, I saw what you were doing. The second I heard it though, I was like, oh.
it's alright, it still works.
Yeah, it's still good.
Whatever. I'm just gonna pull forward.
Yeah.
Delco Creek. He has the Delco Creek glasses. See?
Got the same ones, remember?
Yeah, I know.
Glasses.
I know. Now I'm thinking that I should get the bucket out of there because once I take this out, then I can't get in and out.
Okay. Yeah. We'll help you.
You know, I'll put the bucket out here.
Remember it was flying.
I don't know if ran over was the term.
What would the term be then?
Like we catapulted it through the air.
Launched it through the air. I don't know, it was either underneath the tire or it was leaned up against it. One of the two.
Yeah, it was weird.
Should be able to get it. I could probably tap it out with the sledge if you want.
I don't believe it. Tap it out with the sledgehammer?
Want to see if I can do it?
Sure. We'll see. Just don't break anything.
Huh?
Just don't break anything.
Can't make any promises. I'm the breaker, remember?
I know.
Wow. Breaker.
Oh, is that what you're talking about?
What?
Tapping that out?
No, I was trying to actually get the
You are moving it though.
see it.
You are moving. Wow. All right. I'm gonna put it on the bucket. I'll push it. That was good though.
Not close.
It was good.
I'm only really good at breaking.
Yeah, well, I'll block it. I'll park it over here and block that whole thing. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock, right?
4?
Yeah.
All right.
There we go. Nobody's gonna get through this. Okay, so we ripped out that curb out of the front of the house. We got it all the way across. We had the machine blocked. Forks over there, machine, bucket that's blocking the area. There's a big pile of dirt behind it, so you know that's blocking the hole as well. The hole's really not that deep, but you know we got all the concrete out. The stuff was huge. So we're all set for today, and you know we'll be back here tomorrow. Same thing, afternoon. It's nice because you see the sun. It's blocked by the trees, so it gives us some nice shade. It's very hot out here, you know, it's when we go more north, like we were this morning, it's humid. Down here, there's a little bit of a breeze, so it's kind of refreshing to end the day like this versus being in some still air somewhere, you know. But yeah, so that's it. So today we're all set, and you know, it's time to go home and relax. Tom, you ready to get out of here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, me too. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.